Good morning to all. Let us start to solve some question related to maxima and minima for the class 12. Okay. Chapter name is maxima and minima. See the question. Find the maximum and minimum values of the following function. Find the maximum and minimum values of the following function. The function given first one y is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 6. It is given. This function given. For maxima and minima, you have to find out first order derivative, that is dy by dx. Differentiating x cube, that is 3x square, 6x square will be 12x, minus 12x, 6 will be 0. Again, second order derivative, this will be 6x, this will be minus 12, because derivative x is 1. For maximum or minimum, dy is equal to how much? 0. So dy is how much you got? 3x square minus 12x. Take 3x common. 4 into x minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. You are getting 2 point. One is x equal to 0, another is x is equal to 4. From first bracket x equal to 0, from second bracket x minus 4 equal to 0 means x is equal to 4. Now you have to check at x equal to 0, second order derivative how much coming? 6 into 0 minus 12, that is coming minus 12, negative coming, less than 0. Therefore, it is maximum at x equal to 0. Therefore, maximum value will be how much? Putting x equal to 0 in the original function, it will be 6. Therefore, maximum value is equal to 6. Now at x is equal to 4, second order derivative d square over dx is equal to how much? 6 into 4 minus 12, it is coming 24 minus 12 12. It is greater than 0, positive. Whenever the second order derivative is coming positive, that means it is minimum at x is equal to 4. Therefore, minimum value will be putting x is equal to 4 in the original function, that is x cube 4 cube minus 6 into 4 whole square plus 6. How much you getting? Minus 26. This is the minimum value. Let's go to the second part question. Y is equal to 1 by 3 x cube minus 1 by 2 x square minus 6x plus 2. It is given. And you have to find out at which point this is maximum or minimum. For that, you have to find out derivative of y with respect to x. This will be nothing but 1 by 3 into x cube derivative 3x square minus 1 by 2 derivative x square 2x minus 6 into x derivative 1. 2 का 0. Finally, getting x square minus 6x minus 6. Again, to find second order derivative d square y by dx square. How much it will be? 2x square will be 2x minus x means minus 1. For maximum or minimum, dy is equal to how much? 0. Now, first derivative you got x square minus 6 equal to 0. इसको मिडिल टर्म ब्रेक कर फैक्टराइज करके तुमको क्या मिल रहा है? x minus 3 x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 from first bracket. From second bracket, you are getting x is equal to minus 2. Now you have to check at x equal to 3 second order how much coming. The second order derivative is 2x minus 1. अब इसका जगह में x का जगह में 3 पुट कर इधर तुमको क्या मिलेगा? देखो पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, नेगेटिव आ रहा है. जस्ट सी हाउ टू सॉल्व. At x is equal to 3, second order derivative d square over dx square coming 1. 2 into 3 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5. Positive coming greater than 0. Therefore, it is minimum at x is equal to 3. Then minimum value will be how much? Putting x is equal to 3 in the original function. 1 by 3 whole into 3 cube minus 1 by 2, 3 का whole square minus 6 into 3 plus 2. Just simplify करो. 3 square 9 हो जाएगा. 1 3 cancel. 9 by 2 minus 18 plus 2. Okay. 9 plus 2 11, 11 minus 11 minus 7, and here minus 2, 9 by 2. Finally, we are getting minus 23 by 2. Okay. Now at x is equal to minus 2, second point, d square over dx square, second order derivative coming negative coming minus 5 less than 0. Therefore, it is maximum. It is maximum at x is equal to minus 2. Now, the maximum value will be 1 by 3 into minus 2 का whole cube minus 1 by 2 minus 2 का whole square minus 6 into minus 2 and plus 2. Putting x is equal to minus 2 in the given function, you are getting how much? Just to check. After that, you are getting minus 8 by 3 minus 2 plus 12 plus 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 2 cancels. Minus 8 by 3 plus 12 means it is coming 28 by 3. This is the maximum value. Now come to the third part. Third part question, what is given? Y is equal to 4x plus 1 by, it is given. Find dy by dx. The derivative of 4x means 4 into 1 4. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Now find second order derivative d square y by dx square. This will be 2 by x cube. See, 2 by x cube. After that, you have to find out for maximum or minimum dy is equal to how much? Dy is equal to 0. Therefore, first derivative how much you got? 4 minus 1 by x square equal to 0. From here, you are getting x is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. Plus minus 1 by 2. Okay. That means at x equal to 1 by 2, second order derivative coming negative 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube, that will be 16, positive coming greater than 0. Therefore, it is minimum at x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Then you have to find out minimum value, putting x is equal to 1 by 2 in the given function, that is 4x plus 1 by x. Okay. Now see. The minimum value will be 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it is coming 2 plus 2, 4. Now second point is x is equal to minus 1 by 2. At x equal to minus 1 by 2, second order derivative coming negative coming minus 16 less than 0. Therefore, it is maximum at x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now putting x equal to minus 1 by 2 in the original function, you will take maximum value equal to minus 4. Let's go to the fourth part. Y is equal to x cube minus 27x plus 1 equal to, given it is. Find dy dx, differentiating both sides. Dy dx will be 3x square minus 27, 1 cut 0. Second order derivative, it is coming 6x. Okay, for maximum or minimum dy dx equal to 0, first order derivative equal to 0. Now, first order derivative how much you got? 3x square minus 27 equal to 0, x equal to plus minus 3. Means you have to check at x equal to 3, second order derivative coming positive greater than 0, therefore it is minimum at x equal to 3, and minimum value will be putting x equal to 3 in the original function, you are getting minus 53. Then at x equal to minus 3, second order derivative coming negative coming less than 0, minus 18 less than 0, therefore it is maximum at x equal to minus 3. Therefore maximum value will be how much coming? 55, putting x equal to minus 3 in the original function. Initial 4 parts completed. Let us see the next. The fifth part question given, you see, y is equal to x cube minus 6x square minus 36x plus 1, it is given. For maximum or minimum, you have to find out dy by dx, derivative of the given function. It is coming 3x square minus 12x minus 36. Then find second order derivative after finding first order derivative. This will be 6x minus 12. For maximum or minimum, dy dx equal to how much? 0. From the derivative first order, 3 taking common, x square minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. Solving by middle term breaking, x minus 6, x plus 2 equal to 0. First bracket, x minus 6, x equal to 6. From second bracket, x equal to minus 2. Now you have to find out second order derivative at the given 2 points. At x equal to 6, second order derivative d square y by dx square coming how much? Positive coming 24 greater than 0. Therefore, it is minimum at x equal to 3. At x equal to 6, it is minimum. Therefore, minimum value will be putting x equal to 6 in the given function minus 215. Let at x is equal to minus 2, second order derivative coming minus 24 less than 0. Therefore, it is maximum at x equal to minus 2. Therefore, maximum value will be putting x equal to minus 2 in the original function. It is coming 41. Okay. Next, go to sixth part question. What is given? Y is equal to 2x cube minus 12x square plus 18x plus 1 is given. So for first order derivative dy dx, it is coming 6x minus 24x plus 18. Okay. Taking 6 common, it is coming 6 whole into x square minus 4x plus 3. Then find second order derivative d square y by dx square. It is coming 12x minus 24. For maximum or minimum, dy dx equal to how much? 0. The first derivative got 6 whole into x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. 6 take that side and इसको middle term break करो, x minus 1, x minus 3 by middle term breaking. From the first bracket x is equal to 1 आ जाएगा. From second bracket x का वैल्यू कितना आएगा? 3. तो 2 पॉइंट तुमको मिल रहा है, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. Now you have to check at these 2 points. At x is equal to 1, second order derivative d square over dx square coming how much? Minus 12. It is negative, less than 0. Therefore, it is maximum at x is equal to 1. Therefore, maximum value will be putting x is equal to 1 in the original function. It is coming 2 into 1 ka whole cube minus 12 into 1 ka whole square plus 18 into 1 plus 1. Kitna aa raha last mein? 9. This is the maximum value. Now, second point, that is at x equal to 3. D square over dx square coming how much? 12 greater than 0. It is minimum at x equal to 3. Therefore, minimum value will be putting x equal to 3 in the original function, you are getting 1. The minimum value is 1, maximum value is 9. Okay. Next was the seventh part. Y is equal to 6x square minus 24x plus 1. It is given. And you have to find out dy dx. First order derivative. It is coming 12x minus 24. Second order derivative, it will be 12 greater than 0. For maximum or minimum, dy dx equal to 0. From here getting x equal to 2. So at x equal to 2 means for any point, second derivative will be positive. Already it is coming greater than 0. It is minimum at x equal to 2. Therefore, minimum value will be putting x equal to 2. You are getting minus 23. In this way, there are 7 questions completed from the chapter maximum minimum for class 12. Thank you for today's class. Next day I will do more sums.